Hi and welcome to Happy Kitty Kitchen. Today we're making the famous Lebanese Fattoush salad. It's so fresh and crunchy and sour and savory and absolutely one of my favorites. In this video I am missing one main ingredient, which is radishes, but I'll put it in the ingredients list, which is in the description box and at the end of the video for you to screen capture and save. So let's get started by cutting up our washed and cleaned vegetables. I'm cutting my romaine lettuce into medium-sized chunks. Then I'm cutting the cucumbers into quarters, and if you want them chunkier, leave them as half circles. I'm going to roughly chop my parsley while I struggle with the cutting board that just won't stop moving around before I finally put a damp tissue under the board to stabilize it. Now in Emirati this is called fargaw, and in Lebanese it's called ba'li, and in English it's purslane, I'm not sure. And if you couldn't find it, it's no problem, but it does add a nice saltiness and crunch to the salad, so we'll just toss it in the leaves as they are. Then I'll roughly chop some mint leaves and toss those in the salad bowl as well. For the capsicum, we are going to cut them into small or medium-sized squares, and that's up to you, but you really need to make sure you don't accidentally add any capsicum seeds. They're sneaky little things that will always try to get stuck to the capsicum, and I hate biting into them. And here you can use regular tomatoes, but I had cherry tomatoes on hand, cut them into quarters and halves, then toss them in. For the onions, I did cut them into small squares here, but in the future, let me advise you that making nice half circles, thin slices of half circles would definitely look better. And that way for the people who don't want to eat so many onions, they're more visible and easily avoidable. To start assembling your salad, add in about a tablespoon of sumac powder, teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. A squeeze of 1 lemon or 2, and a generous drizzle of delicious pomegranate molasses, which I love, and a drizzle of olive oil. Then lastly, add your toasted Lebanese bread bits, and I always make mine ahead of time with my own seasonings, and I keep them in Tupperware and ready to be used. But basically, you just cut up Lebanese bread, throw on a pan with a drizzle of olive oil, and I like to dust them with garlic powder, then throw them into the oven until they have browned and crisped up. I'd like to mention that I personally like to also add finely chopped fresh zaatar to my fattoush, but that's optional, and I understand that it's not always easy to find. And as for the radishes, I would have loved to have them, those yummy thin slices on here, but we were all out, so I guess this will do. Oh, and if you're wondering why I put the salad into 2 separate bowls, it's because I had trouble mixing the salad with the dressing in one bowl. They kept falling out. So I'll eventually just put the salad back into the same bowl after I've made sure I've mixed in the sauce and the salad properly. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So have a great day and thanks for watching Happy Kitty Kitchen. Bye!